Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm kind of in a rush. I'm very excited. I want to test out these V3 Velox in the 1950 configuration. They're 2207 kV. I've been flying the V2 versions for like months. I don't think I've even broken one. But Tmotor, like I said, they were nice enough to send me a set, and I rebuilt this iFlight XL5 frame with a Blitz F20x20 stack and DJI TBS Crossfire, and I also have my Team Fly High FPV's extremely good detailed Action 2 3D prints, flyhighfpv.com. Like any 3D print you guys need. But back to the main point. So these TMotorVelox V3s are some of the best, if not they're the best motors, especially even in the budget class. Sometimes I would say, besides some of the top ones. So I was gonna put some race wire, but I'm kind of losing time. So if I get enough people, I want to do a second build, like a full build, with some V3 same exact KV motors that I purchased on my own, and I'm gonna put it in a Moxie frame. I have a brand new one. Or if anyone wants to send a frame for a review, anything, just anything, I'm open to DMs and comments. I appreciate you guys. Comment, subscribe, like, all that. Thank you.